guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I have to be on my flight to Netherlands, but wait a minute. Because these days because these days situation in Iran getting cancelled. الو سلام، من در خیابان 400. بله من تا 2 دقیقه دیگه میرسم، لطفا پایین باشید. قربونتون، صبحتون بخیر، خدا نگهدار. Our flights are getting cancelled and it's really stressful situation. By the way, I try to keep calm and manage everything, and I don't have any choices, just I have to wait. But today, instead of Netherlands, I'm going to one of the cities in Iran, Qazvin. So it's kind of solo trip to Qazvin because my cousin is studying there, and today she's going to her university. I was like that, okay, I will support you, and I'm going to have fun and visit Qazvin. I've never visited as a tourist, so let's go. I'm sure that we are going to have fun together. I've just arrived to Qazvin. It was 1 hour and a half kind of, and I arrived my cousin to her university, and now I'm alone. At the first I need coffee, but it's 8 a.m. and everywhere is closed. And I'm just looking for a cafe and or coffee places. But at the first I need coffee, and then we should manage our trip. What do we want to do? And yeah, first coffee. visited the bazaar and the palace, as you see, but I don't find cafe yet. I'm like that. Just coffee. Last night I've just sleep for 4 or 5 hours, and it was 6 a.m. that we started our trip to Qazvin. So I'm like that. I need coffee. Oh, there's a sign of cafe عمارت. Let me check. There is an interesting point about Qazvin, that I've seen so many people that they are cycling, and that's a good interesting thing, because in Iran there is not any bike roads. You can see so many people that they are cycling, but here in Qazvin I've seen so many people, also old people, that they are cycling. Also, most of them were in bazaar, and it was interesting. It's 1 p.m. and it's lunchtime. The most traditional Qazvin dish is Qeymeh Nesar. And I've heard that Kermani restaurant is the best restaurant for Qeymeh Nesar. So we are heading to Kermani restaurant to have lunch. Finally, I'm really hungry. Let's go. بریم کنار گل‌های میتونی. Oh my god, food was perfect. It was like heaven. I'm really happy. Now, next destination is Kantur Church. Let's go.